So, there's a person who's been pretending to be me in Instagram, and I don't know why. I mean, I've been wheezing for like an hour because they're so dumb and stupid. And I'm actually shaking right now. I'm so confused. Why do people do this crap? Please report them and block them because they may repost your art too and call it theirs because they're dumb enough to do this. Please help me. I don't want this person to continue to pretending to be me. So please report and block. Also, feel free to read this stupid chat I talked with this impersonator. Bye bye.
Hello, I'm not here to attack you. I'm just wondering, why are you impersonating me?
Wait, you're a fake. I'm the real one.
You're talking to the real Luna the Cat 7777. No need to pretend. Be yourself. And stop impersonating me.
I am the real Luna. I'm from YouTube.
Show me how you edit the videos. Show me your gallery. Go ahead.
I will report you.
Please stop. I'm not even attacking you. I am the real one, Lomeo.
I will block you.
I have multiple accounts.
No.